have learnt a lot now, but still there is a way long to go. After department, we need to put designation as well. Let us create some of the designations. But prior to that, don't you think there is a lot has been served on this particular sheet? What I'll do, I will try to remove something which is not required. Okay, I'm just removing it and I'm going to pushing it on the first part. Okay, what I'll do, I'll simply put it here, but it won't work out. So I have to simply insert, again select and just push it here, and see, by just by dragging the employee ID which is fixed, I'm putting fixed numbers over here. Similarly, this is the something which is not required. I have selected both, delete, and automatically it will shift left. The gender, this is also something which is fixed, and this is something which is formulated. I'm removing it here. So by removing, automatically you will find the value which is fixed has been shifted. Now the sheet looks cleaner, I believe. What do you say? Right? The clean part makes sense in working. So I have just done that particular thing. I will show you various shortcuts as well later, not in this particular session. Now if I say I need some designations, where the names were there, I will create a set of designations, and let me tell you how to call them from a different sheet. So the designation could be worker, supervisor, assistant manager, deputy manager, let us give it full, assistant manager, deputy manager, manager, and general manager. Okay, so if I say this is the something which is range and I have to call it, now how can I fix this particular range? I will simply copy, means I'm not copying, I'm selecting them. And if you watch carefully over here, which is H12, I select it and I am giving a name, designation. Just see, I have just put designation. After that, the important part, I have to press enter. When I press enter, this entire range has been named as designation. Where we can see it, go to formula, name manager, and see, this name manager has assigned these values which refers to names sheet H12 to H17 in this workbook as designation. So I can call it in the sheet over here, and which is going to call these points from designation. So let us look forward to it. And as you know, this designation is a particular range. I'm going to choose from it. So let me see whether it will work out or not. So how can I do it? Index. So guys, what am I missing, guys? Equal to, no formula shall come into action without equal to. So I am saying index. Okay, after index, what is to be done? After index, you guys have to look forward in the range, and I have defined the range. What is the range? Designation. Now this is the range, and once I'm doing, you will find the name has been spelled properly. I double click and it's there. After designation, I have to mention uh, the randomization means how many values were there. Let me see how many values were there. 1 2 3 4 5 6, so values are 6. So what I'll do, I will again look forward for, after defining it as rand between, let me give, assign them, and you can say randomized manner again, rand between 1 to 6. Let me see whether it will come or not. Sure, it is coming. Just see, the sheet becomes cleaner. I put double click and just see, there are so many department and department wise designations have been assigned. If I say there is a salary or a salary grade is needed to be assigned, so I want this salary grade which is associated to designations. We will look forward to this particular part in the next session. Be ready, be clear. In this session, we have learned how to call the data from a subsequent sheet. Over here, the sheet is names because we are taking it as a master sheet. And in sheet 1, we are creating something which is expected to be taken. So right now, this is index match, and if I press F9, everything will change. So what I need to do, guys, you know that Control Shift down arrow key, Control C, and you have to put it in the paste with. So paste special can also come through right click. So if I do it, you automatically it will come. And now I'll again Control Shift right, delete, and this particular value can be adjusted over there. So you can simply drag it and fill the particular space, and just see the sheet is with static values. Looking forward to see you in the next session. Thank you so much.